والله it's very big. But let me try tomorrow, inshallah. Tomorrow he will continue. Hello? Now we can continue?
Okay, sir. Continue.
Okay. You can see now this. You
Yes,
are with
yes.
me. Addressable system
Yes, yes.
is Uchiki
Yeah.
panel.
Uchiki panel, yes.
As we see, some addressable system, some, not all addressable system. Some addressable system accept class A or class B. يعني if you find a control panel is loop is going starting from the panel and not returning to the panel, this is accepted. In the standard, this is accepted. Okay?
Oh.
But not all control panels accept this. For notifier,
Okay.
yes. For notifier, it accepts style 6 and style 4. What is style 6 and style 4? It is same class A and class B. Class A is starting from the panel and returning back. Class B is starting from the panel and not returning back to the panel. Notifier, simplex, zeta, it is accepting this. Style 4 and style 6. Or class A and class B. And it is working and normal, no problem. It accepts both wiring, okay?
Okay.
Right. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay يا شباب. Okay, sorry, I had a call.
Yeah.
Sorry, I had a call. طيب, let me now share. I'll share this. طيب, خلاص يا شباب. This is an addressable system. You are seeing it now in the this is addressable system. This is European loop. European loop. We says since a while what's the difference between American loop and or American standard and European standard? Do you remember?
Yes.
Yes, tell me. American, this is European or American? This what I'm showing now. This is, do you expect this is European or American? You are with me, مشكور, engineer مشكور. You are hearing me? Hello? One minute.
European standard.
Nice. Who says European?
Yeah, because bell and manual
Yes.
call point, everything connected in one loop.
Nice. This is in one loop. Oh, everything, input and output in one loop. This is European standard. European standard.
Yes.
In UL standard, you will find the sirens or sounders in separate loop. Okay.
Yes.
That,
yes.
like that we have in our project in airport, we have most of or all of the sounder and sirens. It's in outside loop. Okay, it has separate loop.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we'll have a quick review for devices. Okay. What is difference between rate of rise and fixed temperature heat detector? What is difference? You know, someone can tell me?
Again.
We have heat detectors. We have two types of heat detectors. What and what? Fixed temperature and rate of rise.
One is fixed type, another one is ROR.
One again.
One is fixed type heat detector, another one is ROR, rate of rise detector.
Yes, rate of rise, ROR. Yes, that's right. ROR is suddenly increasing.
And Temperature for fixed heat detector is 60 degrees Celsius, and rate of rise it's up to client how much is their
Yes.
requirement. We fix it like that.
Yes, yes. Fixed detectors. Yes, this is very right. Thank you very much. But let me added something. Not all the fixed temperature is in 60 degree. Some of it 55, and some manufacturer make thermobin. Thermobin, it is for heavy duty, and it may be 80 degree and 90 degree, and some of it, 90 degree. Let me show you what is thermobin. Look, thermobin heat detector. This is fixed heat detector, fixed degree. Okay, it is fixed degree, but you know this shape. You are with me?
Yes.
Yes. This shape is thermobin. It is like bin. It is like bin, but it is heavy duty.
Yes.
It is heavy duty.
Everything.
It is fixed temperature, not rate of rise. This thermobin. It is used for outdoor applications. Like what? Like that we have transformer, big electric transformer, and you need to sense the heat. When it arrives to 80 degree, it will give alarm and it will start another sequence for extinguishing. Okay, so this is called thermobin. Okay, this is the thermobin. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Yes. So not all اللهم صل على النبي, not all manufacturers are steady on 60 degree or 55 degree only, but the most common in the market 55 degree and 59 degree and 80 degree like this. But some application asks for heavy duty or thermobin like this, like electric transformer. We use it like this, thermobin. Okay. Okay يا شباب.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
طيب. Any questions? يعني this is a brief of detectors, type of input output, type of control panels, and this is quick brief. I need questions from you. Any questions? Okay يا شباب.
Engineer,
Yes, with you.
please explain once style 6 and style 4.
Yes, style 6 and style 4. It is
Yes.
same class A and class B. What is class A and class B? You remember? Let me
Yes.
open again. I'll open this slide. Another slide, 1 minute. I'll open this slide. You remember this slide? This
Yes.
class
Yes, sir.
B. This
This
class
is
B.
class. Okay.
In some brands does not call it class B or class A. It call style 4 and style 6. 1 minute. Style 4 wiring. This is notifier. يعني this system notifier. It is calling 1 minute signaling line circuit. It's opening now. 1 minute. Resume recording. Look, this is notifier system. It is calling style 4. Style 4 is class B. Style 4 is class B. This is the control panel. SLC. This is loop card. Okay. Starting this detector module, and not coming back to the panel. This is style 4. Style 4 is same class B. طيب, we'll go now to style 6. What is style 6? This is in FBA style 6 signaling loop card. This is starting from A. This is taking smoke detector number 1, police station, smoke detector, another section, and number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then coming back to the panel. This is style 6. It is class A, but different naming, only different naming between brand to another brand. Okay?
Okay.
Like this. This is calling class B. Class B is style 4. Class A is
Yeah.
style 6. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay? Questions?
Yes, yes.
Questions? Any questions, يا شباب?
No, no, I understand.
Okay, thank you very much. I will share these two presentations. I'll share them now. I'll put in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.